All right, guys. So today's project is gonna start off with a little bit of a road trip. So got my son loaded up in the back and we're gonna go pick up a wagon. All right, just to give you guys some context, we're working on a bunch of smaller projects lately, and it's because of who's in the back seat. We've got a 1-year-old, and my wife works weekends while I work weeks, so in between naps is pretty much the only time I have to knock little stuff out like this. So we're driving down the road. We're gonna go pick up a cheap wagon. I saw this idea on Instagram over the week and found a cheap wagon, so we're gonna go pick it up and give it a shot. Alright guys, and there you go. That's what $20 worth of wagon will get you. So it's so funny, I've already come completely full circle with this build. I originally bought this to build a shelf out of it. On the way home though, I was like, man, I think it'd be really cool to turn this into a lowrider wagon for my son so we can go walk around car meets and car shows and stuff like that. And I was like, no, let me stick with my original idea. I already have another project that I want to do that with. So today, what I'm going to try to do is build a shelf out of that, and essentially what it's going to look like hanging on the shelf is exactly like you see here. Have the wheels and tires on it, and then you'll have this area inside where you can actually hang stuff. So we're going to split this entire wagon down the center, figure out a way to remount our wheels on it, and go from there. right, guys, and well, there you go. Another really quick one. As you can tell, I did go ahead and clear coat one of these. One of them I left original, and this one I went ahead and clear coated because I really like clear coated patina and stuff, and I think it'll sell pretty well. I hope you liked the video. I hope this kind of sparked some ideas of different things you guys can try and do and everything. Apologize, I'm only doing really small projects. As I said, I've got a 1-year-old and he steals most of my time, but as long as I can get out there and knock out little fun projects like this, I'm gonna do it. It's a great way to be creative and you know, keep building stuff and trying stuff. And honestly, if I do little stuff like this, I can make a little bit of money that I can put into other projects down the road. But thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more little things like this, then make sure to subscribe. And if you want to see the trucks and what's going on with those, make sure to follow me on Instagram, and we'll see you guys next time.